welcome back to my channel. It's Sam. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. I am so excited about today's video, guys, because I'm doing a Shop Miss A haul. I feel like I haven't shopped on missa.com forever, and I used to shop through all the time. And if you guys don't know what Shop Miss A is, it's a really affordable website that has cosmetics, jewelry, application tools, etc. Whatever you need, they have it, and everything's between like $1 and like $1.75. It's like unreal. So if you're interested in me doing that today, please keep watching. Before we get into the video, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon right there to be notified when I drop videos multiple times a week. And get to go ahead and follow me on Instagram at @thesamraven. I'll link it down here as well, and you'll see my circle right here on the screen, guys. So let's get into the video. All right, here is my Shop Miss A bag. So I haven't shopped on Shop Miss A in, I don't know, forever. I feel like it's been at least a year or longer, which I'm actually sad to say because everything is so cheap, and I've looked on that website many times since then, but I don't know why. I feel like I just never shopped for some reason. But that changed because I went ahead and made a purchase. I tried not to go out of control. Initially, when I put things in the cart, it was like $50, and I was like, okay, Sam, do you need like 50 different things? Not really. So I narrowed it down to maybe like 20-something dollars. So this is the packaging, and I know this packaging is different from what they used to have. I think it used to be an orange packaging, but now this is like a purple mailer. Really cute. It says, hello, Miss A, shop online and find a store, and I think they do have a store in Texas. So let's open up this package. You know what? Let me use my scissor because I tend to make everything more difficult. Okay. Ooh, I see some goodies here. So let me go to my invoice and see how much I actually bought. Maybe I bought less than I thought. I only spent $9. Or I only got 9 items, which I thought I got way more stuff than that because I know when I was putting stuff in the cart it was like $50 worth. But maybe I narrowed it down, or maybe some things ended up selling out. But yeah, guys, so I picked up 9 things, which is actually not that little, but I mean, for $1, $1.50 each, I saved a lot of money, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and go through all of the things I got. I'm really excited about these, guys. All right, let's go ahead and first go into this Paw Paw Wonder Blender sponge. Now, this sponge is actually $1.55. It's super cute pink, and it reminds me of the Beauty Blender. Now, I know for a fact that I like these sponges because I had a bunch of them a couple years ago, and I haven't bought them since. But these sponges are like so soft. I'm going to show you guys my dirty Beauty Blender, so don't judge me. So this is a dry, dirty, actual Beauty Blender. And this is the Paw Paw Wonder Blender, I think it's called. And this is part of their sponge collection, where I think the 55 cents goes to like a pet foundation, which is great. I love my little doggies and cats and every other little animal. But yeah. So this is the size. So they're actually really comparable. I like that they actually have ones like this in the teardrop shape. They have it in this shape. They have it in maybe 2 other shapes. It's really soft and it expands quite large. I actually really like the sponge, and for $1.55 versus $20, I can't complain. I feel like this performs really well. And the exterior is actually a bit softer than this in terms of feel, like when you touch it, but this is like insanely soft when you blow it up. Sorry, Beauty Blender, I love you. I love my Beauty Blender, don't get me wrong. But if I can save money, if you're in the market for a new sponge, you can get a really good one for $1.55. So it goes, a part of the proceeds will go towards protecting animals against abuse. And I really like that because it makes me very upset when animals are abused. Okay, guys, so they have their own studio collection called AOA, and you know we're in a pandemic right now, and you literally cannot find sanitizing wipes like anywhere since March. Now we are at the end of July. I have not been able to find one sanitizing wipe. Granted, I had some at home that I would always keep in my house, But I saw on their website the day I shopped that they restocked on some pure sanitizing wipes. This kills 99% of germs, alcohol free, and it is mint scented. And your girl picked up 3 of these because I want to be able to just like throw or have one of these in my purse at all times. I always have hand sanitizer, but I always feel like I want to disinfect my wheel more, or maybe, I don't know, just like different things. And I really want to have one in my purse. So these are really small, really cute. You get about 15 wipes for $1. That's like a really good price, I feel like. I mean, it's $1. And they're sanitizing, and this is great. I'm going to link them down below for you guys to check out. But yeah, the packaging is so cute, and it's great that they created their own collection of wipes. Smart for them. I'm still a little confused how they're able to price things out so low and still make a profit, still pay themselves, still have a store, still have a warehouse, and still put money back into the business. Like, I don't understand how it can be that cheap, but they make it happen. So hey, they do what they do, and people like me shop. Alright, so the next thing I have here is another item from their studio collection. This is so cute, and it'll go with my whole aesthetic, the pink and the white and the gold. This is a whirly blender holder. So currently right now, I've been using this like actually really gorgeous holder, which is like a jewelry holder that I found from Home Goods. I used to just hold my sponges that I use on a daily basis. And yes, I do clean them every single time. But I saw they had this, and this was gold, and it went with my whole like aesthetic, and I figured this would look like super cute right there maybe. And since I just got this sponge, I figured, how cute is that? Yeah, so this is really cute, guys. Look. So this is where my wet or dry sponge can go on. It's super, super cute. It's fun, and the pink and the gold go with my whole aesthetic. My whole like background is like pink, white, gold, and then maybe a little green here and there, like in the plant right there and in the plant right here. So this is actually perfect. I didn't even mean to buy a pink sponge, but the pink and gold go perfectly, and it's just like so cute. I love it. Alright guys, we are almost getting through this haul. I feel like this is really fast. I feel like all my hauls are normally much longer, but that's okay. Sometimes I'm just not going to be a shopaholic, and I'm proud of myself, so I'm going to pat myself on the back. The next item I have here, I'm actually really excited for. This is the AOA Argan Oil Sponge Soap. This was $1.55. I can't speak. $1.55, and this is in the scent strawberry, and this is a sponge cleaner. So I feel like whenever I wash my sponges, I throw them all in like my sink with warm water, and I put like baby soap on them. I found that to be the most efficient way to clean all of them, and the most affordable instead of having to buy like those really expensive soap cleaners. But AOA has one for their sponges. Smells really, 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 really good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, I love the scent of strawberry. My favorite scent is coconut. If anyone is ever wondering, coconut is my favorite fruit, my favorite scent, my favorite everything. But a close second in terms of fruity smells would be strawberry. It smells so good. Is it wrapped up? And it came wrapped in plastic. Okay, so I like that. I like that they actually wrapped it in plastic. So this is a bar of soap that is supposed to be able to clean, smells so good, supposed to be able to clean your sponges, and it comes in this really cute tin. I love this because one, it's travel friendly. When you're on vacation, you're not trying to lug around a big bottle of baby soap or anything like that. You want something convenient and easy. And yeah, this is like the perfect thing. So I'm really excited to try this. Hopefully it works. It's only $1.55. And this solid seems like it probably would last me quite a bit. So I'm excited to try that out. If I try this at the end of this video and I really like it, I'll let you guys know down below my results and how it came out. So stay tuned for down there. Ooh, okay guys, the next item is the Beauty Treats Butter Lip Balm in the scent or flavor coconut. My fave. When I saw this, I almost lost my crap. I was like, coconut lip scrub? It was meant for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a coconut lip scrub. I want to really open this because I better not be disappointed. So I feel like my lips tend to be really dry. And I do have a lip scrub from Bliss, I think. But I've had that for a while and it's almost done. Granted, this was $1 and the Bliss one was probably 7 to 10. You know what I mean? Like, hello, that's kind of expensive. So the coconut honestly is what drew me in, and the $1 also drew me in, and it looks really cute, looks really promising. It's cruelty free, not tested on animals, which is great, and I think it's distributed in Los Angeles. It's designed in California, and it lasts 12 months. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a nice, organic, natural coconut. You know, like some coconut scents are too like artificial smelling and you're like, ooh, I don't like that. This smells like the real deal coconut. It smells really good. Okay, let me go ahead and sample this out. This is a lip scrub, right? Oh, this is a lip balm. Oh my gosh, I'm so silly. I mean, honestly, even better because I can wear it every day. Well, first of all, I'm sorry for misleading you and telling you this was a lip scrub. I assumed it was a lip scrub because I remember on the website I was looking at a lip scrub that I thought was coconut, but I guess I didn't add that to my cart and I guess I added a lip balm instead. Fine by me, no qualm, totally happy with it, but I'm even happier because it's a lip balm and I can use it every day. So let me go ahead and sample it. You get a lot in here. It's quite shiny. Granted, I do have lipstick on, but I want to see how moisturizing it feels and how shiny it is. So I only applied a little bit. Feels smooth, feels moisturizing. I'll have to apply it when I take off my lipstick to really know how good it is. But for $1, you can't go wrong. And usually stuff like this work really well. And it's coconut, so it's hydrating, and I love the smell. So honestly, I'm probably going to love it regardless. Guys, I know why I was talking about a scrub because I do have a scrub right here. This is the AOA Sugar Lip Scrub, and my silly self cut the top of it by accident when I was opening the bag. Ha, yay me. But I don't think I actually cut the product, so I'm not mad about it. So this is actually in the scent or flavor honey, maybe? I'm not sure. It has a B on there, so I'm not sure. But this is called Sugar Lip Scrub. So this is why I thought that was a scrub, because maybe they had a scrub that looked like that, or maybe I just got them confused. But this is the AOA lip scrub, and this is actually a pretty big tube. Let me open this up. It has this kind of like lip gloss applicator. So really, this looks like an actual lip gloss, but let's see. So I think this is in the scent honey or something. Oh yeah, it is. It's honey flavored, I guess. And oh, it's very scrubby. Ooh. Okay, I really like this. It seems very moisturizing. This, I don't know if you guys can even see that because it blends in with my skin. Very moisturizing. I see the sugar granules. I see the honey, I guess, is what I'm looking at that's moisturizing. Feels really nice. So I feel like this applicator actually will really help apply the lip scrub, so you can put a little bit and use the applicator to guide it along your lips. So my lips are about to be popping. About to have this lip scrub and this coconut balm. You can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me nothing. Okay? You can't tell me nothing. You can't. You can't. Alright guys, I have my last item. I'm bringing it back old school, okay? When I was a kid, I used to love having these lip glosses. Do you guys remember these? Do you remember these really shiny, high gloss, little cheap little lip glosses that actually performed really well? They were really cute. You throw them on at school. Your lip gloss was popping. Your lipstick was cool. It was a thing. So I saw they had a bunch of these and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is by the company Starry. This is the honey gloss in the flavor strawberry or scent strawberry. I don't know. I guess both. And this has vitamin E, and this was $1. So nostalgic. Like, this really reminds me of being a kid in New York, going to the beauty supply store and begging my mom for like 50 of these. Okay, so let me try this on right now, actually. Cute. It smells really good. It smells like strawberry. It's actually a lot thicker than I remember. Thick, soft, It's not sticky though, which is great. So yeah guys, I love it. So nostalgic. I'll have to pick up a couple more of these because these are really good just to put on when your lip is moisturized and you don't want to have like really any pigment. And this one has a very light pink color to it, so it's not really going to change the color of your lip, maybe enhance a pink lip more so, or it's great to just put over on top of a lipstick or anything you want to modify. These are great to have and they're cheap and affordable, and like why not? Who doesn't love these cute glosses? Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my Shop Miss A haul. It was a mini haul, but comment down below if you want me to do another one, if you want me to buy more things, because I would love to. I love shopping online. I love Miss A and I love deals. For $1, if it's $1, let me hear them holler, if you know what I'm saying. I can't myself. Okay guys, yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll link all the products down below if you're interested in any of them. Hopefully they have sanitizing wipes left so you guys can go ahead and pick them up for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys. Bye.